Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication not working. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store on your phone and search for Facebook. Make sure the app is fully updated. After that, search for WhatsApp and update it as well. Once both apps are updated, go back to your home screen. Now, press and hold the WhatsApp icon and tap on the eye icon to open App Settings. From here, select Permissions, then scroll down and open SMS. Set the SMS permission to Allow. Next, go back to the home screen again. Press and hold the Messages app icon and tap on the eye icon, open Permissions, scroll down, select SMS, and set it to Allow as well. After allowing SMS access for both apps, open Facebook again and try enabling two-factor authentication one more time. So, that's basically how you can fix Facebook two-factor authentication not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!